Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be doing my daily plan with me in my Bloom Daily Planners, notes, goals, and to-dos undated planner. And today is, what is today? I don't even know what today is. It's the 16th, so let's go ahead and get started with dating it for 16/20. I apologize for the background noise. It's my son's lizard. And I apologize for the lighting because one of my soft boxes on the right blew out yesterday. It just kind of exploded. So that's why I didn't film this video last night, which I would normally do is film it the night before, because the whole room stunk like burnt plastic. So that was fun. So anyways, today's the 16th and it is Thursday already. Yeah, it is. Okay, so let's start with breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and have a bagel, which I made these bagels yesterday with my son. We did some baking, so made some Weight Watchers bagels. Probably gonna have a yogurt and like fruit or something for lunch. Okay, and then for dinner we're gonna have fish and rice and broccoli. So the only thing points for that is the rice. And then usually I have fruit for snacks, or actually I might feel like popcorn today. For exercise, we have our goal to walk 10K every day. Actually, I already checked that off. And there goes that. Let's see. Okay, so today I'm going to write what I'm grateful for. Usually I would, like if I'm filming this at night, I would skip this part. Like yesterday I wrote legs that work. But I am not filming this at night. I'm filming this on the morning of the 16th. So let me think of something. Oh, okay. So I did write this in for last night in my Erin Condren, but I am just still super grateful that we were in that first round of people who got their stimulus checks. So I'm so grateful for that. I'm just gonna write it again. Now, for today's to-dos, so we need to go and get my son's school lunch. We're actually going to walk there today, so I'm going to share that on my Instagram, on my stories, because we do live close enough to the school that we can walk, so I figure, you know, why not, since I do walk every morning anyway, right? And then he can come with me and get a little exercise in too. So the living room and the closet are ongoing still. Let's see. I need to pre-plan for next week, and then I also need to plan with my son, and I need to do my nails today because it has been 2 weeks and I shouldn't have let them go that long. So my priorities for today, now that I know what my to-do list is looking like, I didn't write lunch in there, but I will. So I really want to finish the living room because I think that if I finish sorting it out today, then I'll be done. And then I do want to make sure that I plan with my son, because if I don't plan with him when I'm supposed to, it kind of gets a little bit behind. So, and then nails, because I really need to do my nails. Anyways, so I don't think I have anything to add to the notes for today. My pen that I use as usual in here is a tool pen. And anyway, that is it for this plan with me. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss more of my videos. And leave me a comment down below if you have a question, or if you just want to say hi and us a hi back. Anyways, I hope they all take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.